Because we see a huge need in the community for someone to be able to call one company and have several different things handled on their property. JC Construction is a custom home builder who also offers commercial building and renovation services. JC Tree Service, which offers complete tree removal, tree pruning, tree trimming, stump grinding, etc. JC Grading and Demolition, which does projects like lot clearing, house sites, retaining walls, and of course, commercial and residential demolition. Most of our customers love the fact that they can pick up the phone and have multiple projects completed on their property from the same trusted contractor that they've worked with in the past. So please give us a call today and let us know how we can help you. And remember, beautiful properties start right here.